Welcome back. As promised, let's tell you about the latest news coming in from the commodity markets. Now we have Manisha, and she's focusing on copper today. So what's the buzz here, Manisha?
Well, this is a commodity that has been inching higher. If you look at on a quarterly basis, on this year until now, we are looking at very strong positive cues coming in from copper. Of course, we did see an all-time high of $11,100 a ton in the month of May. June did see some profit taking, even some consolidation, but July again has started on a very positive note. So when you talk about this week itself, the first week of July, we are up by 4% in case of copper. It's trading at a 2-week highs right now, and the markets also are looking at very strong gains going forward as well. If you look at the LME inventories, well, that posed a bit of a bearish picture because we've seen inventories gain constantly since the month of May, standing quite tall. The Chinese inventories, though, have declined for 3 straight weeks right now, and that perhaps is a supportive factor there. But it is all about the future demand that seems to be making its way in case of current prices right now. If you look at the TC numbers, those have continued to decline. There's a report from Citi which says that they are anticipating copper prices to hit $9,500 a ton within this quarter itself, and then they're anticipating an all-time high in copper in the last quarter of this year or the first quarter of 2025. A very interesting report also coming in from SMM, where they say that as they look at the second half of this year and the first half of 2025, they are also looking at very strong copper demand to come back into the markets from EV, from construction, from infrastructure as sectors as well. And they also are anticipating a deficit of 500,000 ton in 2025, and the market's clearly taking that all in prices right now.
Thank you very much for that. Get into a break. On the other side, we'll discuss market technicals. Mitesh Thakkar will join in on the other side.